Hello everyone, Namaskar. Today we will discuss the numerical based on superposition principle of electric charges. So our question is 4-point charges QA is equal to 2 microcoulomb, QB is minus 5 microcoulomb, QC is 2 microcoulomb, QD is minus 5 microcoulomb are located at the corners of a square ABCD of side 10 cm. हमें एक स्क्वायर की साइड गिवन है 10 सेंटीमीटर और चारों चार्जेस गिवन है कॉर्नर्स पर जो प्लेस है QA, QB, QC एंड QD. What is the force on a charge of 1 microcoulomb placed at the center of square? स्क्वायर के सेंटर पे एक चार्ज प्लेस है 1 माइक्रोकुलम. हमें नेट फोर्स फाइंड आउट करना है एट द सेंटर ऑफ स्क्वायर ड्यू टू 4 चार्जेस ऑफ प्लेस एट कॉर्नर्स QA, QB, QC एंड QD. Here ABCD is a square. Let us suppose this is A, B, C and D. So at point A, charge is placed 2 microcoulomb. Here charge is 2 microcoulomb. B point पर charge है minus 5 microcoulomb. C point पर charge है 2 माइक्रोकुलम और डी पॉइंट पर चार्ज है minus 5 माइक्रोकुलम. एंड एट द सेंटर चार्जेस 1 माइक्रोकुलम. एट द सेंटर ओ 1 माइक्रोकुलम. As we know that the diagonals of a square is same. एक स्क्वायर की जो डायगोनल्स होती हैं, दो डायगोनल्स होती हैं, दोनों सेम होती हैं, इक्वल होती हैं. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू पाइथागोरस थ्योरम फ्रॉम ट्रायंगल DAB, DB is equal to, what is DB? Which is hypotenuse is equal to square root of base square plus perpendicular square. AB square plus AD square. So DB is equal to, side is 10 centimeter. So DB is equal to 10 square plus 10 square in square root means 200 in square root, which is equal to 10 root 2 सेंटीमीटर. तो हमारे पास दो डायगोनल्स हैं, दोनों इक्वल हैं, तो DB किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? AC के इक्वल. DB is equal to AC is equal to 10 root 2 सेंटीमीटर. अब हम सेंटर पे जो चार्ज प्लेस है 1 माइक्रोकुलम का डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे जो चार्जेस कॉर्नर में प्लेस हैं. सो OD which is equal to OC which is equal to OA also equal to OB. डायगोनल का हाफ हो जाएगा 10 root 2 by 2 means 5 root 2 सेंटीमीटर और इन मीटर 5 root 2 into 10 raised power minus 2 मीटर. सो डिस्टेंस आ गया हमारे पास 5 root 2 into 10 power minus 2 मीटर. हमें फाइंड आउट करना है O पॉइंट पर नेट फोर्स. तो फॉर्मूला क्या होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू कूलम्स लॉ? F is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. So here R is 5 root 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter for all forces F1, F2, F3 and F4. Now we have to find out the force on charge 1 microcoulomb due to 2 microcoulomb which is placed at A. 2 माइक्रोकुलम और 1 माइक्रोकुलम के बीच में जो फोर्स लग रहा है सपोज है तो F1 है. सो F1 इज इक्वल टू, फॉर्मूला हमें पता ही है, K Q1 Q2 by R square. सो हियर K इज 9 into 10 raised power 9. Here Q1 is 2 microcoulomb. Micro means 10 power minus 6. Q2 which is placed at O 1 microcoulomb 1 into 10 power minus 6 by R square. Here R is AO. Here AO is 5 root 2 into 10 is power minus 2 whole square. So 9 into 2 18, 10 is power 9 into 10 is power minus 12 into 10 is power 3 minus 3 upon 5 into 5 25 into 2 into 10 power minus 4. Then if we solve these two values, we get 3.6 Newton. Now what is the direction of F1? As we know, like charges always repel each other and unlike charges always attract each other. यहाँ पर दोनों चार्ज 2 माइक्रोकूलम और 1 माइक्रोकूलम सेम नेचर के हैं, पॉजिटिव हैं. इसका मतलब 2 माइक्रोकूलम चार्ज 1 माइक्रोकूलम को रिपेल करेगा. सो दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ F1 फोर्स. सो द डायरेक्शन ऑफ F1 इज along AO. Now we have to find out the force on 1 microcoulomb charge due to minus 5 microcoulomb charge which is placed at B. Let us suppose which is F2 is given by 9 into 10 is power 9 into 5 microcoulomb charge Q1 5. Here we take magnitude of charge, so 5 microcoulomb, 5 into 10 power minus 6, and Q2 charge is 1 microcoulomb by R square. Then here R is 5 root 2 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. Then if we solve these values, we get 9 Newton. And the direction of this force is, this is minus 5 microcoulomb charge, this is 1 microcoulomb charge. So minus 5 microcoulomb charge 1 microcoulomb को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करेगा. So this is the direction of F2 vector along OB. Along OB. Now the force on charge 1 microcoulomb due to charge 2 microcoulomb which is placed at C, which is suppose at F3. So F3 is equal to 9 into 10 is power 9 into Q1 charge is 2 microcoulomb. So 2 into 10 is power minus 6. Q2 is 1 microcoulomb. So 1 into 10 is power minus 6 by R square. Distance is 5 root 2 into 10 is power minus 2 whole square, which is equal to 3.6 Newton. And the direction is, here 2 microcoulomb charge is positive, 1 microcoulomb charge is also positive. So repulsion take place. F3 direction is along CO. CO. Okay. Now the force on charge 1 microcoulomb due to charge minus 5 microcoulomb which is F4, suppose that is given by 9 into 10 is power 9 into charge is minus 5 microcoulomb. So 5 into 10 is power minus 6. Q2 is 1 microcoulomb. 1 into 10 power minus 6 by distance. Distance is 5 root 2 into 10 power minus 2. 5 root 2 into 10 is power minus 2 whole square, which is equal to F2, 9 Newton along. What is the direction of F4? Minus 5 microcoulomb attract 1 microcoulomb which is positive. So this is the direction of F4 vector along COD. Along OD. Now here F1 is equal to F3 and F2 is equal to F4. इस डायग्राम में अगर हम देखते हैं ध्यान से तो F2 F4 के अपोजिट है और F2 F4 के इक्वल है. F2 is equal to F4 F1 F3 के अपोजिट है और F1 F3 के इक्वल है, एंड F1 is equal to F3. It means F2 and F4 are equal but in opposite direction. F1 and F2 are equal but in opposite direction. So the net force at O is F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus F4, which is superposition principle. So F1 and F3 are equal but in opposite direction. F4 F2 are equal but in opposite direction. Hence F2 F4 cancel out, F1 F3 cancel out. So net force at O will be 0. Net force at the center of this square is 0.